Hi guys, welcome back. Look who's home. Are you dry fitting the windows?
Yeah, I'm just doing it because of rain.
Right. So you think sanding it down instead of just trying to replace them?
Dude, I'm not replacing those. I'll never get them off.
Crowbar. So that's where we're at, people. I'll keep you up to date. Like I said, just drive it off a cliff. Let's go buy an old camper and redo it. Look what's happened. Look what's happened, people. Okay, so here's where we're at.
The rain, torrential rain.
It was torrential. It was a monsoon. But listen, I feel like the primer did not protect the boards from absorbing because the trim did not get affected unless you pull it off and it's wet behind the trim. Then you'll know. You'll have your answer, right? You'll know if the water actually got behind it. Like behind the wall.
Get down here. See. Look.
It did down here? Oh yeah, the boards are wet.
Oh, yeah.
So it did get behind.
So
now listen, guys.
If it's behind here, then it's probably behind here. But that's rock solid.
The back's rock solid.
This side's rock solid.
Not wet.
And this side's rock solid.
And this is just primer too, right?
That's that rubber coating.
Oh, this is the rubber coating. Okay, so it protected it. What about the window frame?
That's fine.
So just this side, I mean, I know the rain was coming right at this side. I'm thinking the boards actually absorbed it all the way to the walls. Huh. So, like I said, guys, this is a project of trial and error, products, materials, and this is fine because it's completely, that was sealed, but it wasn't coated yet. It was only primed. No water affected any of this.
Not that I know of.
This is true. You know,
if I lift it, it could be wet.
Oh my gosh. We may have to take it all off, guys. Like, for real. We may have to take it all off. We may have to go with cedar.
Or the pine tongue and groove.
The tongue and groove pine.
Which
all
is
right.
thicker.
We're not sure yet. I have to film it, honey. Okay, you ready? You ready? And it's gone. It's gone. It's all gone. Yep, it's gone. It was completely destroyed by monsoon rains. So, keep following because we got a new idea. Okay, guys. Bye.